Digibyte DGB prices are expected to range between 0.034947 and 0.066012 by 2030. Experts believe the EGB could reach 0.027181 by 2025. Bearish Digibyte market cost is expected to be 0.006213 in 2023. Digibyte DGB demonstration. Many blockchain components are being developed to compensate for the shortcomings of the Bitcoin and Ethereum organizations. Blockchain trailblazers. The rate of speed, the exchange handling time, versatility, and various viewpoints are regarded as key regions for token turn of events. Digibyte is a faster blockchain network than Bitcoin that addresses the issue of on-chain instability and exchange costs while acting as a route for arrangements. We'd introduce an outline of the Digibyte environment, the exceptional exhibitions over the long haul, and the future capability of this token. What is it? Digibyte is an open-source network that works on the verification of work component that gives a stage to resource production. It serves as a solution to the Bitcoin convention's security and adaptability difficulties. The verification of labor instrument means that DGB employs the concept to mine new monetary standards and resources through the PC, utilizing 5 calculations that differ significantly from those used by many other blockchains. Digibyte employs ODecrypt, Scanscript SHA-256 and Qubit to forestall mining centralization, also known as application explicit mining. With an integrated circuit that enhances security, this organization has proved that it is a superior alternative to the following blockchains and, additionally, working in 3 distinct layers. The layers include the first layer, which manages dazzling agreements. Applications that are not centralized, issue of dApps tokens, archive approval, and resource digitization. The middle layer is for the public record, which serves as a public channel for the distribution of the local token DGB through the Digibyte blockchain. The last layer alludes to the convention's power, which houses the organization's product and hubs and handles on-chain correspondence and decentralization. With the security highlights came an innovation and powered Digibyte blockchain that allows the creation of another client sign-in convention called This Blockchain Security Convention enables users to rely on cryptography to get near to their applications and websites. Digibyte is a present valued $0.007766. DGB has moved 2.20 as of now, with an exchange volume of 7,378,820. Digibyte is currently ranked 170 among all digital currencies, with a market value of $131,237,369. RSI moving weighted normal MWA using the total strength list Williams fractal and moving normal uniqueness intermingling MACD. From the preceding outline we can decide cost designs for Digibyte DGB to determine if having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation conjectures use continuous Digibyte DGB market information, and all information is updated in real time on our website, allowing us to provide dynamic cost expectations and a picture of current market movement. Digibyte DGB Value Estimate 2023. Digibyte is one of the most amazing cryptographic types of money to rise this year. DGB, the DGB cost figure for 2023 anticipates a significant increase in the year's last quarter, possibly reaching 0.011649. As with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be progressive, but no significant drops are expected. Averaging $0.010873 in cost is very aggressive, but it is achievable soon given expected joint efforts and progress. DGB is expected to have a base worth of 0.009319. Digibyte DGB Value Projection 2024. Of every 2024 decabyte DGB cost forecast has a lot of room for expansion because of the predicted declarations of various new associations and drives. We anticipate that the cost of DGB will outperform for a long time. 0.019415. However, before making any bullish predictions, we should wait to see if the DGB's overall strength list escapes from the oversold zone. If the upward trend continues until 2025, Bets on predictability. DGB will swap with a base exchanging cost of 0.015532 and a typical exchanging cost of 0.017085. Digibyte DGB value forecast 2025. It could reach 0.027181 and DGB could benefit if the market has a decay. The goal may not be met. DGB is expected to trade at a typical cost of 0.024851 and a low of 0.023298 between 2025. Digibyte DGB value forecast for 2026. If Digibyte properly assists market sentiment among cryptocurrency enthusiasts according to our forecasts, the DGB coin price will remain steady over the next 5 years. The DGB is expected to reach and exceed its all-time high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at 0.034947 with a base cost of 0.031064 and a typical cost of 0.032618. Digibyte DGB value forecast 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized examination, we estimate the DGB cost is expected to cross a normal value level of 0.040384. By 2027, with a base cost of 0.038830 anticipated before the year's end. Additionally, DGB has a highest value worth of 0.042713. DG failure to amass the necessary DGB requirements by 2028 may result in a low of 0.046596. Digibyte DGB value expectation 2029. While the DGB strives for interoperability among organizations to accelerate connection, the bullish pattern from the previous year is expected to continue. Therefore, the base exchange cost has been set at 0.054363 and a yearly cost close to 0.058246. Digibyte DGB value expectation 2030. By 2030, Digibyte will finally outperform its previous half values and set new cost levels, with a base cost of 0.062129 and a maximum value worth of $0.066012 average. Bitcoin stays at $30,000, Ethereum is above $1,900, and XRP goes up by 6%. Bitcoin nursed its wounds from the weekend and made small gains to stay above the $30,000 mark. Ethereum also went up a little bit but stayed below the $1,950 level. Bitcoin and other crypto tokens got over the weekend jitters, which were caused by people selling their digital tokens for a profit. But traders are still optimistic because a lot of money is coming into Toronto's Purpose Bitcoin ETF, which shows that market demand is high. The digital tokens were also backed by a positive decision from a U.S. court. Bitcoin was licking its wounds from the weekend